total magnification. The equation for total magnification is eyepiece lens times objective lens. So what did we say the magnification of the eyepiece was always?
10.
Times 10. So here is our eyepiece. We know it's always times 10. But we've got 4 objective lenses, don't we? We've got a times 4, we've got a times 10, and we've got a times 40. Yes? So the total magnification, if we've got an eyepiece of times 10 and the objective lens of times 4, the total magnification for that combination is going to be times 40. So that's low power. Lower power. All right. If we've got the times 10 and then times 10 objective lens, that's going to give us times 100. And if we've got the times 10 and the times 40, that's going to give us times 400, and that's the high power. All good?